Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your culinary game, the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized Nonstick Cookware set in Moonstone, a 9-piece collection designed for both aspiring and seasoned home chefs. Let's start with what truly matters in non-stick cookware: performance. Anolon claims ultra-durable non-stick release, and after putting this set through its paces, I can attest that your creations do indeed glide off the pan with remarkable ease. This isn't just for a few weeks or months. The infinity slide technology, as they call it, seems to hold up, meaning less sticking and easier cleanup is a consistent experience. Beyond the non-stick surface, the core construction is where Anolon really shines. This set boasts hard-anodized construction, which they state is twice as hard as stainless steel. This translates to exceptional durability and, more importantly for cooking, incredibly even heating. Hot spots are minimized, allowing for consistent browning and simmering across the entire cooking surface. This even heating is crucial for achieving those perfect results, whether you're searing a piece of chicken or gently melting butter. Now, let's break down what you get in this 9-piece set. You're looking at a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, perfect for small batches of sauces or reheating. Then there's a 3-quart saucepan with a lid, a more versatile size for cooking grains or vegetables. For larger tasks like soups, stews, or pasta, the 6-quart stockpot with its lid is a welcome addition. A 3-quart saute pan provides ample space for one-pan meals or stir-fries, and finally, the workhorses of any kitchen, an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, ready for everything from eggs to steaks. Comfort and control are often overlooked in cookware reviews, but Anolon has clearly put thought into this with their SureGrip handles. These handles are designed to offer a secure and comfortable hold, even when the pans are full and hot. During extended cooking sessions, this makes a noticeable difference in reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability. You'll find yourself feeling more in control with every flip, tip, and toss. Aesthetics and maintenance are also key considerations for any kitchenware. The Moonstone finish not only looks sophisticated but also features stain-resistant non-stick exteriors. This means your pots and pans should maintain their pristine appearance longer, resisting those unsightly marks that can accumulate with regular use. And when it comes to cleaning, that superior non-stick surface makes wiping them down a breeze. The versatility extends beyond the stovetop. This set is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a critical feature that allows you to start a dish on the stove and seamlessly transfer it to the oven to finish cooking or achieve that perfect broiled top. The tempered glass lids also come in handy, allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing precious heat. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the outstanding non-stick performance is undeniable. The hard-anodized construction ensures excellent durability and even heat distribution. The inclusion of essential pot and pan sizes makes this a well-rounded set for most home cooking needs. The comfortable SureGrip handles are a significant ergonomic advantage, and the easy-to-clean finish is a practical benefit. The oven-safe capability adds significant versatility to your cooking methods. And finally, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind. For potential cons, while the 400-degree oven safety is good, some users might desire higher oven-safe temperatures for certain recipes. Additionally, like all non-stick cookware, it's essential to use the correct utensils and avoid abrasive cleaning to maintain the longevity of the non-stick surface. While the set is comprehensive, some individuals might have specific needs for an even larger stockpot or a smaller skillet, which would necessitate separate purchases. In conclusion, the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized Nonstick Cookware set is a robust and highly functional collection. It strikes a fantastic balance between performance, durability, and user comfort. If you're looking for a reliable non-stick set that can handle everyday cooking and offers excellent value, this Anolon set is definitely worth considering. It's designed to make cooking more enjoyable and less of a chore, from prep to cleanup. Link in the description.